Getting a job as a software developer in 2024 is harder than Joe Biden staying awake during a press conference. But how did we get to this point? Well, the short answer is COVID. But here's the long answer. In 2019, the market was normal. Then in 2020, a little tiny virus was released upon the world. The tech market immediately crashed along with civilization as we know it. But as everyone hunkered down, all eyes turned online. People consumed more stuff from home, and we saw a huge spike in Zoom, Amazon, Netflix, and almost every other tech stunk. In response, the software companies began hiring like crazy. Then the government added fuel to the fire by printing a bunch of money and slashing interest rates. COVID should have been declared dead in June of 21 because the vaccine was widely available and everyone that believed COVID was a threat could get the shot. But the media machine wasn't done yet and there were still mask mandates and restrictions across the country. The turning point was February and March of 22. Putin invaded Ukraine, which cured COVID. Gave the Matrix something else to latch onto. Exactly 3 weeks later, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates for the first time, beginning the fastest interest rate hike in history. The tech market has been declining ever since, and we're at levels we haven't seen since the initial COVID panic. So where do we go from here? Tech isn't over and won't be until Elon Musk's Grok becomes sentient. As of August 24, it looks like the Fed has tamed inflation mostly, and rate cuts may start soon. Once the market sees a positive direction, tech hiring should start up again. It's also an election year, which adds a lot of uncertainty to the market. This cycle has been especially chaotic, and I don't anticipate the market gaining confidence until it's all over. My personal expectation is that by Q1 25, this trend will reverse and we'll get back on track. Except that the number of computer science grads in the US has almost doubled in the past 8 years, so yeah, we're fucked.